the toolkit of excitement. And that's all you have to do. Because the toolkit of excitement is going to organize your day. You do the thing that excites you the most at any given moment to the best of your ability. And this came from Bashar, one of the wonderful channelers we get here on planet Earth. If you follow it, that's all you have to do. And then when you can take it no further, you go to the next thing that excites you the most. You just shift gears. And if you keep doing that incrementally throughout your day, your whole day was paved out for you. You got everything you needed to get done. That was all the time you needed to put in all those places to get those things done, no matter how mundane it felt, even like going on a walk. If that is what excited you the most, aside all of these other things that are stressing you out, not making you feel very good at the present moment, then simply just choose the thing that does excite you the most, because that is following your highest excitement. Because when you go on that walk, you may meet someone that's in alignment with you. Maybe it's a lover. Maybe it's somebody who's going to give you a business opportunity. You never know the people you're going to meet on your path. And maybe that walk is exactly what you needed to just get away and refresh and relax for a second. Get some sun in your face, some daylight. Or maybe go on a night walk when there's nobody there and it's just you. And it's just peaceful and relaxing. And that's where you can be within your own energy. So follow that toolkit of excitement. Try it out, because it's going to organize your day for you. And what's going to end up happening with that is the more you do it, the more you start finding what you're really aligned to in your reality. You start unlocking more of your purpose, because you test things out and you get to find out what excites you the most. What is really related to your core soul frequency. And as long as you're taking action, you got this. And as long as you're taking incremental improvements, don't let perfectionism sabotage the thing that you think is amazing. Yeah, are other people gonna like it? Well, that's okay. Just start doing the thing, incremental improvement, and take action consistently. Because you're here regardless on the earth until it's time for you to leave. And we're all walking to the same place when we're done. So another thing is, we're all just walking each other home. And also, what Bashar mentions is, if you're following your highest excitement at any given moment, 10 hours can go by and it felt like 5 minutes. Okay? And what he means by this is also that 5 minutes is only how much you aged. When you're following your passion and your excitement and your life's purpose and the things you're here to experience, because you are here for the human experience. And part of your purpose is this human experience. It's not just like, oh, I'm here to serve the collective and raise vibration. Yeah, you may be here to do that. Great. You're also here for these very moments, these mundane feelings of sadness, depression, to awaken you, to unlock you to unconditional love. That is the highest vibration. Without the condition to change, you are in the vibration of love. Without your external reality to change, you still hold this high vibration of love, because you're enjoying the process of being a human. Okay? The metaphysical and the physical are around us at all times. And that's all we got to do, is accept that we are human, having the human experience, and we may be divine, Pleiadian starfish of the 12th density beings. Okay? But we're still here walking each other home in this individual human experience. Okay? So just keep going and enjoy it. And yeah, that is what Bashar states, is if you're in that vibration of your highest excitement, time will go by. And if it's been 10 hours and it only felt like 5 minutes, well, only 5 minutes actually went by. So keep that in mind. That's why you look at a lot of like artists or actors and actresses, like they look super young. And all they did was, you know, they're living their life, they're acting. And through that, through their passions, they look very young. So that's just an example. Maybe that is one of the secrets to immortality, because If you're following your highest excitement at any given moment, you don't age. You stop aging. And that's from Bashar. So, also, Dolores Cannon does touch up on this, that if you are following your passions, you don't get sick, you don't get disease, because you're not at dis-ease. You're not at dis-ease. You're always at ease, and you're focused, and you stay in this high vibrational space. Okay? And I hope this video guided you on your path for today. All right? Follow that toolkit. I just kind of went off on my excited passion to make this video, and I know you feel the energy. So much love, cosmic souls. Love and light vibration out. Have a wonderful, magnificent, transformative, alchemizing, exciting day. Love and light vibration out. Bye.